Avvalambor assalomu alaykum. Mana bugun bizning 3-maktabimizning yangi binosi topshirilyapti va bizda bayram ustiga bayram chet eldan Hindistondan Mr. Satesh kelgan maktabimizda shu 6 oy davomida o'quvchilarimizga ta'lim beradi ingliz tilidan. Biz hozir undan intervyu olmoqchimiz. Uni hissiyotlari va jarayon haqida u bizga so'zlab beradi. Mr. Satesh?
Yes, my name is Sadish. I am from India and I came here last week. I am here to teach English language to students at the Maktab 3 and I am very happy to teach the students here. And the government of Uzbekistan has a plan to the government of Uzbekistan has a plan to introduce foreign languages in this country, especially English language. You know, English is a global language, so everyone should learn and speak English because English language will open up opportunities to you. So this is very important to learn English. So I am here to promote the English language and make the people aware of the importance of English language. Thank you.
Mr. Sadesh Hindistondan kelgan va 3-maktabda ingliz tilidan ta'lim beradi bolalarga. Hozirgi kunda hammaga ma'lumki, hech kimga sir emas, ingliz tili butun dunyoda muhim tillardan biri bo'lib turibdi va mamlakatimiz prezidenti ham bunga e'tibor qaratyapti va u shu yo'nalishda bizga ko'mak bergani kelgan. Ularning so'zlariga qaraganda, bizni maktabimiz 6 oy davomida ish faoliyat yuritadi va shu 6 oy davomida o'quvchilarimizni ingliz tilida to'liq gapirishga undab ularni qo'ldan kelgancha, o'zlarini bilim va ko'nikmalarini berishadi. Would you like to say something?
Yes, actually I am now really happy because when I came here, my friends Mr. Golib and the director of the school, Mr. Erkin, came to receive me. The people here are very hospitable and I like the hospitality of Uzbek people and all people here are very helpful. I never expected this and I really like you. Okay.
Men bu yerga birinchi kelganimda meni Mr. G'olib va Mr. Erkin maktabimiz direktori kutib oldilar va men bu narsani hech qachon bu yerda kutmagandim. Bu yerda odamlar juda ham mehmondo'st, do'stona va bu yerda bo'lib turganimdan boshim osmonga yetdi. Juda ham xursandman va bunday kutib olishni to'g'risi o'zim kutmagandim.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rahmat.
Xush kelibsiz.
Mana bugun Guliston tumani 3-ta'lim maktabida yangi 300 o'rinli zamonaviy maktab ochilish marosimi bo'lib o'tmoqda. Bugungi kunda prezidentimiz tomonidan ta'lim sohasiga berilayotgan barcha imkoniyatlardan juda ham xursandmiz.